They might not want to pay for more
Yeah,
time, but they want to pay for a
yeah,
better
but it's the
outcome.
thing, isn't it? I have always said that maintenance isn't about time. A maintenance appointment isn't about time. Like I'll have some of my girls, and it's understandable that will say, oh, but this client only takes me like this amount of time, and I feel bad charging them for the full maintenance price. And I'm thinking, that's your expertise she's paying for. She's not paying for time. She's paying that for exactly. See, I wouldn't put it in those
And
words.
and I think
She's paying for the outcome. Yeah, it's
the
great way
the
to
the
look at it.
point is that when I started and I was good at this because I've done all your training, maybe it took me 30 minutes. But as I've got better myself and I've honed my skills and I've improved my approach and I've got better products as they've evolved. Perhaps I've got better equipment as that's evolved. Why should I be penalized when I can do the
You could
same
be better.
job faster and more effectively